Waking up in a world with no mirrors, no fashion stores, no clothing brands, and definitely no lingerie section. You're an ancient woman living thousands of years ago. The sun rises, you gather food, carry water, and walk miles every day. But here's a question most people never think about. When did women first feel the need to wear something like a bra? At first, the answer seems obvious. Surely bras are a modern invention, right? After all, ancient humans were focused on survival, not fashion. But the truth is far more surprising. Picture an ancient settlement over 3,000 years ago. Women are working, running, climbing, and carrying children. Their daily lives are physically demanding. And as human societies become larger and more organized, clothing starts evolving for more than just protection from weather. Here's where it gets interesting. For most of human history, women didn't wear what we would recognize as a modern bra. In prehistoric times, clothing was simple. Animal skins, woven fibers, and loose garments were common. There is little evidence that early humans used dedicated breast support garments. But then archaeologists discovered something unexpected. In ancient Greece, around 2,500 years ago, some women wore a band of cloth wrapped around the chest. It was known as a strophion. Imagine it as a simple fabric strip that provided support during physical activities. Ancient artwork shows women wearing these garments, suggesting that breast support was already becoming important. And Greece wasn't alone. Ancient Roman women used similar garments called mammillae and fascia. These were chest bands designed to provide support and comfort. Some women wore them while exercising, while others wore them beneath clothing. Think about that for a moment. People often imagine ancient civilizations as completely different from us. Yet thousands of years ago, women were already dealing with many of the same practical concerns people have today. But why did women begin using these garments in the first place? The answer isn't just fashion. As societies developed, clothing became more specialized. Different garments served different purposes. For active women, chest support could improve comfort during daily work and movement. In some cultures, body shape and appearance also became connected to beauty standards and social status. And then history took another turn. During the Middle Ages, many women relied on fitted dresses and corset-like garments instead of separate bras. The modern bra as we know it didn't appear until the late 19th and early 20th centuries. In 1914, an American woman named Mary Phelps Jacob patented a lightweight alternative to the restrictive corsets popular at the time. That invention helped shape the bras worn by millions of women today. But perhaps the most fascinating part of this story isn't the invention itself. It's what it reveals about human nature. Whether in a prehistoric camp, an ancient Roman city, or a modern shopping mall, humans constantly adapt their clothing to meet their needs. We solve problems, improve comfort, and reshape the world around us. So the next time you see a modern bra, remember, its story didn't begin in a factory. It began thousands of years ago, with ancient women simply trying to make everyday life a little more comfortable. And in a way, that's one of the most human inventions of all.